Hi, Jenna. My name's Christian. I'm with Jenna SEO and Digital Marketing. We are a family-owned digital marketing company, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence all on your own. And so, contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your site are going to be exclusive to you. So you're not going to be playing the game of competing with multiple agents for the same leads, or whoever paid the most money to Zillow this month gets the best leads. Okay, they're your leads because it's your site. So I'm going to try and make this video short for you and get straight to the point. A couple of things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is going to be citations. So first of all, I'd like to point out that I'm glad that you have a Facebook page that shows you're an agent. Remax results, okay? A lot of agents that are trying to make money online don't have a Facebook page that says they're a realtor, right? So you're one step above them, and I congratulate you on that, believe it or not. And so back to citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number can be found in various directories. So those directories would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in St. Paul, Minnesota realtors. We got The Odd Couple, Vibe, and Sparta. Okay, so you're not here. I don't see Remax results here either. But before we move further on that, I'd like to point out this down here is what we like to call the organic search. And so as you can see, Counselor Realty. Okay, maybe that's a brokerage out by you. They're actually above Coldwell Banker. They're above, Remax isn't even on the first page at all. So a lot of times if you do your homework and look in certain areas, you can actually have a website of your own that's ranking above the big dogs, above Zillow, above Realtor.com, above Remax, okay? As long as you do your website and implement the proper things into your website. So further on these, on the map pack, I'd like to point out that whether you're an agent, a broker, or whatever your status is in the real estate business, you can get a Google My Business page. So I don't know your status, but I do know that if I show you here, we got Brad Griffith Realtor, we have Travis Erickson, we have Johanna Roy, Enclave Team. So amongst others, we have individual realtors that have Google My Business pages. If you have a Google My Business page, I'm sorry, I didn't find it. And if I can't find it, there's a good chance that the clients can't find it either. So I would highly suggest getting one. And for the purposes of this video, we're going to use Brad Griffith. Okay, this is what a Google My Business page is going to look like right here. A couple things I want to point out. Reviews. Everybody knows the importance of reviews. We recommend 25 reviews minimum. So Brad has 4 with a 5.0, but he's still on the first page. So we just recommend 25 minimum, so keep that in mind once you get your Google My Business page up and running. And then more importantly than that is these photos. So a lot of people don't understand or comprehend the fact that search engines like Google read on the back end how your photos are saved. So a lot of times when we upload photos to a computer, the computer will create a file name for that photo that we don't specify. So a lot of times it'll be random letters and numbers, or pick 1, pick 2, pick 3. It's usually not good content. So you're going to want to delete all that, and you're going to want to put good words, good content in there. So do your homework and make sure you're saving your photos the right way. Also, with this Google My Business page, we want to see 10 photos minimum. So Brad has 4 reviews and only 2 photos, and he's still in the main page. So I think you can beat him, no doubt. 25 reviews, 10 photos saved the right way. Get yourself some citations, and you'll be well on your way to being in that first page, potentially the top 3, and bringing in leads from your Google My Business page. Next, I have your website here. So you do have a website. Obviously, you understand the importance of being online. This looks to me like it may be a site that's provided by your broker, by Remax Results. But neither here nor there. You do have a website, but the real question is, how much money is this website bringing you? So everybody wants a website. Everybody, oh, I have a website. But how many leads are coming in from this website? How many people are finding this website on their own, going to the bottom or the top and saying, hey, call me? And this site doesn't even have a submission form unless we were to go to, we could go to your phone number, and I don't know if that's yours or your brokerage's, but it's very difficult for somebody to get in touch with you. They have to create a login, all this stuff. So keep in mind, content is king when building a website. So Google loves content. We actually like to see 1,500 words minimum on any page you're trying to rank, which this site has very, very few, maybe say, 30 words, maybe 50 words total on the entire main page. Also, again, especially in real estate sites with the IDX feed and all the listing photos, how you save your photos is so very important. It even goes down to the size you save your photos. So just do your homework and make sure that when you either A, build your own site, or B, revamp up this one, that you're going to want to have 1,500 words minimum, and you're going to want to make sure that all your photos are saved the right way. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found on the internet. And so based on my research, it's showing that you have 6 backlinks from 4 referring domains. You're only ranking for 1 keyword, and your domain rating is a 56. Now, I will give you credit. 56 is a relatively high domain rating in comparison to other sites. This is a 56 out of 100. So yes, you are above half, but I would say that's still a failing grade in any class I've ever been. So keep in mind that backlinks bring you power, but not all backlinks are created equal. So one benefit to having only 6 backlinks is that you don't have a lot to go through to remove. Just keep in mind that when getting backlinks, you want to get them from powerful sites that aren't spammy, okay? So if your backlinks are coming from lawn chairs for sale in Florida, it's actually going to hurt you, okay? It's not going to help you at all. So you're going to want to get your backlinks from powerful sites that aren't spammy. And then I'm willing to bet that this 56 domain rating is because it's a Remax site. So a lot of your power is coming from Remax, but how much good is it actually doing you? That's the real question. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business, into your website, into your life to bring you some more leads and in turn some more money and freedom. And so if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope this helps.